progress update. So got the injector O-rings replaced, fixed that fuel leak. Also, one of the lines I made was slightly leaking, so have no fuel leaks. And we're actually still holding pressure from a couple days ago, so it's also a good sign. And replace the oil pan with a GTO style one. So these two bungs right here for the oil filter feed, one of them is warped. That's why that was leaking. Had to do quite a bit of work to get the oil filter to fit in there. And I still got some more work to do for the power steering rack, but shouldn't have any leaks now. There's actually been oil in the engine for a while. No puddle as I see. And got the throttle cable figured out. I ended up using a 99 Toyota Avalon V6 throttle cable. It was like the perfect length. So that is sweet. That was kind of just a guess based off measurement. And have a belt coming. I ended up doing some measurements, and the belt should be here sometime soon. Also got this steam port routed. So yeah, kinda just waiting on a couple more parts, but I think I'm gonna put the headers back on and the coil packs and attempt a second try at starting it. Alright, well here's a look at the new oil pan and the clearancing I had to do on the subframe. But now we have a normal oil filter. So I had some hard lines coming off here from the rack that go into the rack again. So I just need to make some steel braided lines to go around. Should be, yeah, another port right here. So that won't be too bad. There's honestly plenty of room. Just do a straight off this, straight fitting there, but with like a 90 probably, for sure. Okay, we got all the sensors, inputs and outputs defined, and a base map set up. The fuel pump is primed. Everything kind of did its thing. So let's see our sync. Individual configurations, we are synced. I think we're good to go for a test fire.
Oh.
Throttle's working.
Yeah, I see movement. I almost had a heart attack.
Holy.
I was not expecting it to be that loud. I'm not sure what I was expecting. I think I'm yelling, Lord. I can't hear. Scared me. We gotta crack the door.
That thing was chopping.
Yeah, it's chopping. There's a little bit of steam. It's not showing up.
Steam and shit burning off.
Yeah, there's the wrap is all smoking. Ooh.
I might have spilled some shit on it.
Don't see flames. Would you say, are you excited? Would you say it's worth it?
Let's do another fire up.
No, my ears.
Let's do another fire up. Just finished making an exhaust. Haven't fully welded everything yet. And I ran out of piping. Might need a bigger muffler anyway, so this might be temporary, but definitely gonna have to hear a sound clip. It's like the best thing I could come up with as far as routing goes, because this car is meant for just a single exhaust. There's literally no room on this side, especially with the gas tank in the way. So yeah, let's hear what this thing sounds like. I just let it run for about 20 minutes. We were maintaining operation of temperatures. Coolant looks fucking great. Alright guys, look underneath after running it for about 20 minutes. Got a little drip there and a little drip there. Looks like the oil pan. New gasket on there. Maybe just tighten up the bolts a little bit more. But there's no puddle down here. So we'll look into that later on. But the custom power steering lines, I'd had to delete the hard lines. Those aren't leaking yet, so that's sick.